So what we're facing is an economic crisis that was born from a health crisis by way of lockdown. So ultimately, every time we have to lock down, every time we have a re-emergence of the virus, it's going to damage our economies. I think there's a real question as to whether any of these really count as a true second wave. I think if you speak to someone in the medical profession, they'll have a clear definition of what constitutes a second wave and what constitutes just a rebound in a first wave. But ultimately, the key importance for economies to be able to rebound is that connections between economic agents, so we're talking about employees and businesses, we're talking about suppliers and companies, that structure needs to remain in place. And every time we shut down, a bit of damage is done. So when we think of those relationships and those connections, we're thinking about, the Job Keeper program is really in place to try and protect the connection between workers and their employers. And so ultimately, we're expecting to see more waves or more emergences of the virus, because without a vaccine, it's not going to go away, and that will cause problems. But that is exactly what we're baking into our forward thinking.